Hey sports enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the history of our favorite sports with our Sports Origins quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge and uncover the roots of the games we all love. And let's kick off this exciting journey into the world of sports history. First up, let's explore the origins of basketball. Where did this fast-paced game with hoops and dribbling actually begin? Write down your answer and let's see if you can score the first point in our Sports Origins quiz. The correct answer is Springfield, Massachusetts, USA. Basketball was invented by Dr. James Naismith in December 1891 at the International YMCA Training School in Springfield. If you got it right, give yourself a pat on the back for scoring the first point in our Sports Origins quiz. Stay tuned for more exciting sports history revelations. Moving on to tennis. Can you tell me where the game of tennis originated? Write down your answer and let's keep the ball rolling in our exploration of sports history. The correct answer is England. Tennis originated in England during the 19th century. It evolved from various racket and ball games and gained popularity as a sport with standardized rules. If you got it right, you're acing this quiz. Get ready for more sports history insights coming your way. Now let's shift our focus to soccer. Where did the world's most beloved sport have its beginnings? Jot down your thoughts and let's keep the excitement building. The correct answer is England. The origins of soccer can be traced back to medieval England, where various forms of football were played with different rules. The modern game, as we know it today, began to take shape in the 19th century. If you guessed England, you're kicking it with precision in our Sports Origins quiz. Stay tuned for more historical touchdowns. Time to dive into the world of cricket. Where did this bat and ball game originate? Write down your answer and let's see if you can hit a 6 in our Sports Origins quiz. The correct answer is England. Cricket's roots can be traced back to 16th century England, where it evolved from earlier bat and ball games. The sport gained popularity in the 18th century, and it has since become a global phenomenon. If you hit a 6 with the answer England, you're on a winning streak in our Sports Origins quiz. Keep your eyes on the ball as we explore more sporting history. Our next question takes us to the sport of golf. Where did the game of golf tee off for the first time? Write down your answer and let's see if you can putt your way to a perfect score. The correct answer is Scotland. Golf originated in 15th century Scotland, where it evolved from similar ball and stick games. The first official rules of golf were established in the 18th century. If you swung your way to Scotland, you're putting together a great score in our Sports Origins quiz. Get ready for the final stretch as we uncover more sporting history. Shifting gears to the world of martial arts. Where did the discipline of karate originate? Write down your answer and let's see if you can unleash the secrets of this ancient art in our quiz. The correct answer is Okinawa, Japan. Karate has its roots in Okinawa, where it developed from indigenous martial arts influenced by Chinese martial arts. It later spread to mainland Japan and beyond. If you kicked it with Okinawa, Japan, you're mastering the art of sports history in our quiz. Stick around as we delve into more fascinating origins. Let's swing into the world of baseball. Where did this iconic bat and ball game have its roots? Jot down your thoughts and let's round the bases in our exploration of sports history. The correct answer is the United States. Baseball, often referred to as America's pastime, originated in the United States in the mid-19th century. The game evolved from various bat and ball sports and became deeply ingrained in American culture. If you hit a home run with United States, you're rounding the bases successfully in our Sports Origins quiz. Stay tuned for more sporting history revelations. Now let's explore the origins of the sport of volleyball. Where did the idea of spiking and setting first come to life? Write down your answer and let's see if you can serve up the correct origin in our quiz. The correct answer is the United States. Volleyball was invented by William G. Morgan in 1895 in Holyoke, Massachusetts, USA. Morgan sought to create a new game that combined elements of basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball. If you set it up with United States, you're spiking your way to victory in our Sports Origins quiz. Keep the momentum going as we explore more sports history. Our penultimate question takes us to the sport of skiing. Where did the exhilarating sport of skiing originate? Write down your answer and let's see if you can carve your way through the history of this winter sport. The correct answer is Scandinavia, specifically Norway. Skiing has deep roots in the snowy landscapes of Scandinavia, with evidence of early skis dating back thousands of years. The modern sport, as a recreational and competitive activity, began to take shape in Norway. If you glided through with Scandinavia or Norway, you're navigating the slopes of sports history expertly in our quiz. Stay tuned for more exciting revelations. Final question. Where did the adrenaline-pumping sport of Formula One racing have its beginnings? Write it down and congratulations! You've completed our Sports Origins quiz. The correct answer is the United Kingdom. Formula One racing had its beginnings in the United Kingdom, where the first official Formula One World Championship race took place at Silverstone Circuit in 1950. If you race to the finish line with United Kingdom, you're revving up your knowledge in our Sports Origins quiz. Don't forget to share your results in the comments, and if you're hungry for more sports content, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay in the game and keep exploring the rich history of the sports we love. See you in the next video.